Ma'am.
Okay, can you give me uses of vitamin K, Innovin? What's the use of vitamin K? Does everyone mute it? I want everyone to mute it because when everyone talk, too much sound. Innovin, what is the use of vitamin K, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ganam Natal, ma'am, please.
No. I told you the people. Yes? I wanted Innovin to tell me what is the use of vitamin K. Innovin, are you there?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ganam na, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes?
Ganam na, ma'am.
Innovin. Innovin.
Helping growth of bacteria.
Helping growth of bacteria. Okay. Navin, another use of vitamin K.
Ganam na, ma'am.
Another use of vitamin K. Navin, tell me.
Blood coagulation.
Blood coagulation. Okay. Nairin. Nairin is present. Nairin is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Nairin, give me the examples of another use of vitamin K. I have given 2, 3. Correct? Give me
Calcium in bones. Ma'am, also controlling blood.
Controlling.
Binding of calcium in bones and other tissues. Calcium in bones and other tissues.
Okay, very good, children. So I think you have understood. Okay, now everyone muted. Then Antelia, Maria, can you switch on your video? Are you ready for the seminar?
Yes, ma'am.
Antelia, Maria,
Yes.
are you ready for the seminar?
No, ma'am.
Why? This is nearly 1 month I am asking you to have a seminar. What happened to you? Huh? What happened to you? Why you are not doing anything in the science class? Did you bring your activity? Did you bring your activity? That also you don't say. I know it. See, you are the only ones.
All subject MCQ.
All subjects MCQ. Okay, children. Now we are moving on to, because I can't waste on the people, those who obey me. So let me take the student, those who wanted to learn my science. Okay. Okay, children. So minerals. So what do you mean by mineral? Minerals mean some of the particles which is present in every food. Some of the particles. Some of the particles such as calcium, potassium, zinc, iron. So all these are known as minerals. And what is these minerals known as? Elements. Minerals are known as elements.
Can I write this?
No, now don't write. I tell you what to write. Okay, first listen to me.
Elements.
So minerals are some of the elements which contain some of the element, don't write now, which contain in both plant and animal sources. Plant and animal sources. Minerals are some of the elements which contain in plant and animal sources.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Okay, now what I will tell you, what do you mean by this elements? See, every body is made up of some of the cells, okay?
Ma'am.
All our body is made up of a skin tissue. You must have learned in 5th standard muscular system, correct?
Scroll down.
I'll scroll down. You have learned some of the things in the muscular system in last 5th standard. What do
Yes,
you mean
ma'am.
by this muscular system? Anyone remember the muscles? What do you mean by muscles? What you learned in 5th standard? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the joint.
Ma'am, I bought our muscles and our joints. And
Our joints. So these muscles are the one which is helping us to move, jump, run, and all. So all these muscles are made up of cells. We call them a tissue which is known as cell. And this cell is made up of elements. Okay, some of this tissue is made up of elements. Elements means whenever we have the food, this tissue, these muscles and tissue need some strength to grow and to develop and to become strong. So for that, apart from nutrients, this is one type of nutrient which is known as minerals. So far we have learned about carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and all. So like that, minerals also another nutrient which require for our muscles, our bones to develop. For example, someone told me vitamin K helps us to bind the calcium to the bones. So what is this calcium? Calcium is the element which is helping our bone to be stronger. So only with the carbohydrates, proteins and all, our body will not grow. If our body has to grow, we need to have some elements in our body. These elements are present in the plant sources and animal sources. Apart from vitamins, these elements also present in plant products and as well as the animal products. Okay, in that, one of this thing I am showing you, this is iron. Fe stands for, instead of writing iron, is a part of chemistry. Okay, it's a part of chemistry. In chemistry, we call iron, we represent with Fe. Similarly, another element, calcium, we represent in chemistry with the Ca, because our
Ma'am, milk and egg. Calcium.
So milk and egg is our calcium.
And iron is spinach, liver, apple, pear.
Okay, so all that. So it's moving. Let me bring it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me bring it down. Okay. Don't know how it is moving. Very fast it's moving.
Ma'am, we cannot see that board or writing.
Wait.
Now it's
Ma'am,
correct.
we can
No.
see.
We can see, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can. Yes, ma'am, we can see. This.
Okay. So minerals are some of the elements which contain in both plant and animal sources. And for our body, it is necessary that we should have some element. Some of the elements we are having is that calcium, iron. Oh. 1 minute. It's moving like anything. 1 minute.
Iodine.
Iodine, no, wait. Iodine. This move is working.
Ma'am, iodine is a mineral.
Yes. Iodine also is a
from
mineral.
fish, ginger.
Potassium.
Ma'am, we should add
Potassium. Iodine is present in salt. Okay.
And ginger.
Ginger, all the food products, not only iodine, all the food products has got all these elements. But some elements will have more calcium. Some elements will not have more calcium. Okay, some will have less calcium. Some will have more calcium. Okay, dear. So,
Okay, ma'am.
why it is not standing? It's moving.
Ma'am, stop share screen and share screen again.
1 minute. There is some icon. Yeah. Not only that, here one icon is active. Movement icon. What?
Undo.
Okay. Now it's okay. Okay. Fine. So, and another one is sodium. Sodium also some of the minerals. Sodium means it is present in our salt. Iodine also present in our salt. And sometimes there is an advertisement that everyone should have iodine salt. Iodine filled salt, they will say. Okay, why? Iodine is good for our our vocal cord and for our mouth. So these are the some of the sources. Here two pictures I have showed you. One is contain iron. All type of leafy vegetable contain iron, because iron is useful for making our blood cells. For our blood cells, we require iron. Another one, calcium. Calcium is another mineral, another element which is important for our bones. Okay, our bones are made up of bones are okay with our calcium. So calcium is more in almond, butter, curd, milk, leafy vegetable, wheat, fish. Everyone contain the thing. Okay.
Ma'am, what is a short form of calcium?
Calcium. What form of calcium? Ca. And also in this picture you will see the first one. First picture over here.
Potassium.
Potassium.
Potassium. Potassium.
Potassium.
Ma'am, cherry potato. Cherry
Another.
potato.
So one is iron, another one we have potassium. Potassium also is an element. Potassium is present in
Broccoli,
plums,
banana,
broccoli,
kiwi.
bananas, tomatoes, carrots, sweet potatoes, kiwi,
Sweet
and
potatoes.
seeds. Some of the seeds over there. Clear?
Ma'am, it's a banana grain.
Yes, yes. And another one, magnesium. This is another element, another mineral. Magnesium.
Also, sweet potato is there.
Magnesium also present in the lady's finger, some of the seeds, what you see, and the lettuce and all that things. Okay, so it is not only that, this content here also it is there. This piece, white piece also here also it is there. Clear? So that means
Yes, ma'am.
if you have one food, suppose you have a pulses, you are not only getting the proteins, you will get protein, you will get vitamin A, you will get
Ma'am, when we eat sweet potato, we will get potassium and vitamin A.
vitamin A, and even you have a potatoes, you will get proteins also, carbohydrates you will get. See, so everything is every food item has contained more than one nutrient. Okay, every food item contain more than one nutrient. More than one nutrient means carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, dear? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'll go back to the previous slide.
And we should write that.
Yes. Now I'll tell you what to write. Okay.
They wrote
minerals
are
are
some
some of the elements which
Yes.
contain.
So now everyone write what I have written here. So I'll write little more clearly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
I am writing big letter so that you will write again. So this is today's number. So today's date 07/21. Yeah, someone is asking me. You can ask the doubt. Yeah, Anubama. What is that?
Ma'am, vitamin is organic, but minerals are little bit chemical side.
Chemical, which is natural chemical. Actually, these minerals are the one which is artificially we are using in making tablets. Okay, you will get calcium, potassium. Artificially, the people can get the calcium and the potassium and all from the earth. They get it from the earth and then they make it tablet. Okay, suppose you have some sickness, they will check. Suppose you have a fractured bone, then doctor will give you calcium rich tablet for you to have it, so that your bones will be strengthened fast and it will become normal. Okay, so suppose you have some problem that you don't have enough calcium in your body, then doctor will tell you calcium rich tablets for you. And if it is less potassium, especially diabetic patients, they will have less potassium, so naturally doctor will give you the tablets which is filled with the potassium. So all these medical tablets are made up of minerals, all type of minerals: sodium, calcium, iron tablet is used to increase the blood in your body. Maybe sometimes some of the children very thin and very feel very tired, and they often get giddiness, they often get fever. Then we take to the doctor. So doctor will say the child has no blood. So doctor will give you iron filled tablet over there. So like that. So so that is the importance of minerals. So minerals are some of the elements
Some of the elements which
present.
contain in plants and
Minerals are some
sources.
of the elements which contain in plants and animal
Animals.
sources.
Okay.
Animal sources.
Yes, write down. Those who did not write, you can write. Which contain plant and animal sources.
Now we don't want to write what in the that slide.
That is slide is telling about the uses of each element that I'll tell you. It is talking about sodium. What is the use of sodium? Sodium help in fluid volume of the cells and helps them to function normally. Then consume proper amount of calcium to build strong bones and teeth. That I'll give you later. First you write this. So example you can write, e.g. example you can write calcium, bracket calcium, then you have, okay, calcium, then you have iron. These are the something which is important for our body. Potassium, not all animals require, some animals. Magnesium, so our bones and our body also contain this. Sodium, zinc is another mineral. Then you have iodine. Then we have phosphorus. Iodine and phosphorus.
Phosphorus we get from milk and banana grains.
Yes. Iron, phosphorus. So these are the some example of this.
Mom, only this much example are there in minerals, or there
So many are there, children. You cannot study everything, okay? So
we can
major things I have given to you. Major things which is required for our body. Yeah, etc. You can write etc. No problem. There is plenty, but what is the necessary? The important minerals are this: calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, sodium, zinc, iodine, phosphorus. These are the some essential minerals which we require. Okay, which is important, and everyone should have these minerals. If you don't have other minerals, we should have this. That's it. After this, I will tell you what is calcium, what is the use of calcium, what is the use of iron, potassium,
iodine's last E is there,
etc. ETC means etc. That means there are more.
Not that iodine, right? In that E, the last
E is there. Last E is there. Iodine. IODINE.
Ma'am, when is the exam, ma'am?
24th. Your first
Ma'am, can
exam is
explain
science.
the use?
Today you will get timetable, okay? Today you will get
My
the
brother
timetable.
got.
So your VPs will be, now it must have sent in your group also.
What will get?
Ma'am, which is the first subject?
Science is the first subject for you.
Excuse
okay?
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can Anupama explain the use?
Anupama, now you just wait. Okay, let them write. Fine. Let them write. Let everyone complete this. Okay. Have you all completed? Some of you just joined now. Everyone mute it. Everyone mute it. Lot of sound.
Can you share the board?
Najma, what happened, Najma? Your brother is crying. Why? Okay, fine. Yes, who else?
Can you share the board once more?
I will share the board. By the time, let me see. Parvati, where is your video? Telsa, where is your video? Ivanchal, where is your video? Amna, Anam, Krishnaveni, Nevin. Romal, are you using Wi-Fi at home? Romal,
Yes, ma'am.
are you using Wi-Fi at home?
Yes.
Then you are kept the screen profile at the background. Okay.
Yes.
If you use background, it will use more data. So in between you are facing network issue because of you are using more data for virtual background. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, now I am in my father's house, so we have the good Wi-Fi.
Good Wi-Fi. Okay, in between I saw you missing the class. That's I'm telling you. Sometimes if you have a virtual background, it will take data. So your video, you will not able to be in online for a long time. That's the meaning of don't use virtual background much. Okay, fine. Okay, Anubama, tell me. Okay, let me, you did not unmute it. So someone asked.
Ma'am, I am come
Ma'am,
and going
Ma'am,
because
can
I
Anupama?
have network issue.
Ma'am, are you?
And
Ma'am,
someone who did not write it, you can write by the time. Anubama, you tell what you want to tell.
Ma'am, iodine is a mineral we get from fish, ginger, salt, and leafy vegetables.
Okay.
Phosphorus is some of the mineral we consume: milk, banana greens.
Okay.
Iron we get from spinach, liver, apple, pear, and calcium we get from milk and egg.
Okay, fine.
Sunlight is very essential to use calcium contents in our body.
Okay. So these are the some of the things. Okay, can I change this, children? Did you complete this?
Ma'am, attendance. Ma'am, can you take attendance because I am coming?
You can change the screen.
Yes.
Ma'am, Dixie ma'am, I am coming and going because network issue. Can you take attendance?
No problem. You are going and coming. I know the students, those who are coming to the class, it's okay. But there are
Ma'am, Anupama is coming.
other students will have some problem. Okay.
is coming all days.
Okay. There are some of the students from the beginning of the class onwards, they don't open the mouth, they don't on the video. So those people are absent. Those people are absent. Those are attending class, giving me answer, and whatever I say, listening. Those students I'll give attendance. That's all. Others are simply you there without opening the video, not doing any work. The teacher is telling.
Thank you, ma'am.
So those students I don't give attendance. I'm frank enough. I tell you. I'll put absent for everyone. There are 3-4 students. They don't obey. They don't do anything. So I'm going to put absent for them. And attendance is must for you at the end of the exam for your promotion. Promotion to your
Ma'am,
next
Amna
class.
is present because Amna came in every class and attending.
Next one. You can now write uses of minerals. So please write everyone. Uses. It is in your textbook. It is in your textbook, but I will just give you point wise so that it is easy for you to learn for your periodic test because MCQ, no? So if you learn these points, it will be more easy. The note is given explanation, no? So this is point wise I am giving. You have to study compulsory for the periodic test one. So uses of minerals, first one is calcium. First use is not calcium, and it is calcium, it gives strength to our bones. Calcium gives strength to our bones. To our bones and teeth. Teeth. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Calcium gives strength to our bones. So you can write example, you can write as it in the book it is given milk and egg. Yeah. Milk, egg, etc.
Ma'am,
You can write the curd also.
Milk
After that, it's 2
So
hours.
you can just write milk products. It's okay. Bones and so milk, egg. You can write a curd.
And
one
meat.
more. Butter. Yeah. Meat. Not all meat. Some of them. Okay. Now second one is iron. Iron increase the level of blood and and helps in producing blood cells. Oh, some of the things are coming and worrying me.
Ma'am, if we eat butter so much, we will go to cholesterol.
Ma'am,
Too much,
example,
everything too much is bad. You can have only in a limited way. So you can add
ma'am,
all the
spinach,
leafy.
liver, apple, pear.
I am just writing only common. All leafy vegetable gives you iron. All type, cabbage, cauliflower, lettuce. So
Ma'am,
we can
liver.
just write. Okay. Liver. Then we have
Ma'am, also
apples.
apple.
Red
Pear.
apple. No, red apple.
Pear.
So I am just giving you only few. That's enough. At least major you study. That's enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Next we have 1 minute. Let me change this. Pen is not good. Okay. So third one we have now. We have written calcium, iron, potassium.
Calcium.
Potassium helps in preventing kidney diseases. Okay. Kidney diseases.
Kidney diseases means kidneys.
Maybe the kidney stone. Whatever diseases affect the kidney.
And what is the English name of Covakia?
Covakia English name is bottle gourd. Bottle. B-O-D-T-T.
Now that is good for kidney stone.
Yes. Not only that, green beans is good for this. So helps in preventing kidney diseases and digestive problems. Especially good for the diabetic people.
Ma'am, example, kiwi, sweet potato, banana.
All that. Oh yeah. Kiwi, as we said that, amla, very good.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms, no. Bottle gourd is good. As she said, bottle gourd is good. Covakia. Okay. Then fourth one we have. Even guava. Guava is good for potassium. Fourth one we have iodine. Iodine helps in preventing goiter. Goiter is a diseases which go to the vocal cord. So you will be studying deficiency diseases. In that goiter comes. Helps in preventing goiter. Some of the people.
Can you explain what is goiter?
Goiter means some of this vocal cord bulged, like big. It become big. You know the vocal cord?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a vocal cord? This part, it will be bulged, just like a cancer. Yeah, it become another type of cancer type growth will come, and it will be hanging like this.
Ma'am, in the starting of the movies.
Yes, movies. So that is the part of goiter. Goiter is a diseases due to deficiency of this thing. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes, let me complete it.
Due to iodine
Helps in preventing goiter and other some of the diseases, not all. It is too much also very bad. So the content you can have salt, not pure salt. We can say rock salt.
Rock salt, ginger.
Ginger. So that is why
vegetable.
when you get the throat pain, you will have ginger tea. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So ginger, we have some of the
Ma'am,
fishes.
also nutmeg tea.
are good.
Yes.
I mean,
Fish.
Ma'am, we also
vegetables are good.
So ginger fish, some of the river fish actually, sardines like matti and all, salt, ginger, fish,
leafy
and
vegetable.
some are leafy vegetable, and also leafy vegetable for everything. Some garlic, it's good, etc. I think
there are shrimp also.
okay. Yes, children, I think it's now time up, children. Rest we will learn the next time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Have you completed?
Thank you, ma'am. See you in the next class.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
ma'am. Bye, bye.
Bye.
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you for a wonderful class. See you tomorrow, ma'am. Bye.
And let me see how many are Juval is present today. Okay, fine. Sudhindran, Ivin, Shahad is present, Najma present.
Ma'am Anupama.
Ma'am,
Ma'am Anisha. Ma'am Anupama.
Ma'am, 5 is present.